In this video, I'll show you what to do if your site isn't online, but your domain is connected to it. We'll begin with essential steps like publishing your site and assigning your domain. Then, if you've purchased a domain outside of Wix, we'll ensure it's connected to your Wix or Wix Studio account. Before we get started, ensure your account is upgraded to a premium Wix or Studio plan. These plans are required to connect your domain to your site. Use the on-screen link if you haven't purchased one yet. Let's start by verifying that your site is published. If it isn't, it won't appear live. Click Publish at the top right of your Wix or Studio editor. Remember, clicking Save doesn't make changes live. You'll need to click Publish to update your site. Next, ensure that your domain is assigned to your site. Without a connected domain, visitors won't be able to access your website using your chosen domain. Go to Domains in your Wix account. If your domain isn't assigned, click Assign next to it and choose the correct site. Next, if you've purchased a domain from another provider, let's ensure it's properly connected to your Wix or Wix Studio account. To connect a domain purchased elsewhere, you'll need to reconfigure your DNS settings in your domain host's account, not in Wix. During the process, Wix will provide the exact settings you need to update. To connect your domain, go to your domains page and click Add an existing domain. Then, connect a domain you already own. This will start a step-by-step process to guide you through connecting your domain. Some domains can be connected automatically, but if yours cannot, or if you prefer to connect it manually, you'll get clear step-by-step instructions for connecting via name servers or pointing. Unsure what DNS, name servers, or pointing are? Click the on-screen link to learn. After connecting your domain, DNS changes may take up to 48 hours to update globally. This delay is simply the time it takes for the internet to recognize your domain's new settings. If your site doesn't appear immediately, check back later. And that's it. All links and topics mentioned are linked in the video description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and for more helpful content, check out our Help Center and YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.